babona abantu abatali okusiga. Okay. Please, may I know if the question is clear and if I'm also audible? We tried this at first, but okay, very clear. Beatrice, that's good. Let me hear from the next person. Is the question clear? Is the question clear? It's perfect. Robert, that's very good. Okay, then we are good to go. We are good to go. Am I audible also? Am I audible? So, I know that, is it in 2 days' time or so, you'll be writing your exam. And please, you all know that this is one of the questions that you're expecting. Not as in, as it is, but you know that usually travel graphs, it's the last question, okay? So, it is a question that carries sometimes 5 marks. In other exams, it's got about 6. So things just change. It's not clear. What's wrong? It's not clear again. What's wrong with the question? It's not clear. What about here? The question is not clear. Hey, what's wrong? I looked forward to helping you go through these questions. Then it's like, is it my phone that is failing me? Because I wanted us to go through these questions on travel graphs. But you're telling me that the question is not clear. And I really don't know what is wrong. Okay. I really don't know what is wrong. This could have been better. Robert, let me know again. It's still not clear. I can't see anything. Oh. Apologies, you people. I really have to check and see what is wrong. What about now? Beatrice, what about now? What about now? Beatrice, Robert, how is it now? Not clear. I thought it would be clear. Not clear. What's wrong? We have even enabled the light. Oh. What is it that is... Because from this end, not clear, not clear, not clear. Then I really don't know what can be done. Possibly it's my phone. So it's clear that same position. Maybe it's the network. Try to draw it closer to the camera a bit. Okay, maybe. It's okay. It's for grade what? This is grade 12. I'm trying to help those that are writing their exam in, is it 2 days time? That's the grade that we are looking at, but it's not, it's still not clear. Then we'll abort this activity, but it's regrettable. I wanted us to solve 2 questions on tribal graphs. I got some requests that people wanted us to solve this. Let me have 1 more, 2 more comments. If it's not clear, then we'll know. It's okay. Not clear. Mary say it's clear. Okay. So if it is clear, then we can start. Maybe you can just read for us. Okay, let me read. Yes, let me read. The question is on travel graphs, and it reads as follows. The diagram below shows a speed time graph of a car journey. So the diagram is this one here. This is the diagram. I don't know if we're able to see the diagram. Okay. This is the diagram. So this car started from this point, then it accelerated for 5, okay, for 5 seconds, okay. Then from this point, it moved at a constant speed. I'm sure you understand that. Then it decelerated, okay. Then there was deceleration here. So now we are being asked to say, find the acceleration during the first 5 seconds. Okay, better. Okay, yeah. So acceleration, how do we find acceleration? So what is the the question is from paper what? The question is from paper 1. So I didn't look at the year in which it came. My concentration was I just wanted to help you go through the travel graphs, because I always know it's the last question and sometimes it gives candidates challenges. So I had actually prepared 2 or 3 questions. Now it would depend on how clear these things are. You know, it's not very good if my students are complaining that it's not very clear, then we go on for 30 minutes or so. So let's see if we can do this one. All right, so we have the formula here from Beatrice that acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Okay, so when you look at this one, final velocity, the acceleration we are looking at from this point when it was at rest, and then it accelerated up to this point. So final velocity in this case, we are looking at 30. So we are looking at 30 minus the initial velocity. Initial velocity, it's the starting point. It started from 0. So we have minus 0. How much time was covered? From 0 up to 5. So time covered is 5 seconds. Okay? 5 seconds. So I'm sure you know that when we work out this one, we are going to have 30 over 5. What do we get? This is going to give us 6 meters per second square. Make sure you put the correct units. Although sometimes, like in mathematics, units are not a big deal. They will always mark you. Okay. So this is the question that is expected of us. And this is the answer that we are supposed to write. Please, you can give me a comment there if there's anywhere where we need to clarify, or if I go wrong anywhere. You know, we are human beings and we are prone to errors. So we go to the second question. We go to the second question. I hope, are you able to see the second question? Are you able to see the second question? So the second question reads, if the total distance traveled was 825 meters, find the value of t, which is this t here. If the total distance that was traveled was 825 meters, find the value of t. Okay? Can I have the formula again? I have the formula. Okay, thank you, Walia. So now here we have been given the distance and they want us to find the value of t. And if you remember very well, we are told that when you are given the distance, or in other words, if you want to find the distance, what did we say? We said you find the area under the graph of that particular region. So here, to find the area, this area is the distance that was already given here. So the area of this whole thing here under the graph, the area of this whole region under the graph, it's 825 meters. So now we want to find the value of t. So how do we find the area of this part? The graph here forms a trapezium. The graph here forms a trapezium. Okay? The graph here forms a trapezium. So you remember that a trapezium, so this is 1 over 2 a plus b and h. So this is the formula that we use to find the area of a trapezium. This is the formula that we use to find the area of a trapezium. Now, in this case, we are saying we are going to use this same formula to find the distance. Now, the distance was already given. So what is it that is not given? One of these parallel sides. One of these parallel sides. Because the parallel sides here, one of them is this one, the shorter one, which is A. It's this part here. Okay? Then the longer one from 0 up to t is what we are not given. And this is what is given as t. So when we begin to replace, we're going to say where there is d here, I'm going to put 825 is equals to 1 over 2. Then a here, a is this distance from here up to this point. So we can subtract 5 from 15. This is going to give us 10 here from this point here. This will give us 10. So we have 10 here. Plus t now. This t is what we are looking for. I hope we are together. This t is what we are looking for from this point up to this point. We do not know this part. Okay? We do not know this part. This is what we are looking for. Please, may I know if we are together? Is there anyone who is following there? Hello? Are we together? Then we have height. What is our height? This from this point up to this point, the height is 30. The height is 30. Okay. Okay, Isabel, thank you, Walia. So we are together, sir. Beatrice, thank you very much. So now look at this, you people. Look at where we are now. So once we have gotten to this point, there's nothing more here about travel graphs. You have to solve this as an equation. If you have a grade 9 next to you, you can give them to say, find the value of t. Yours has been done at this point. So I'll move now. From this point, I'll go and say 825. Remember, you don't have a calculator. So now I'm going to push in this 2 into 30. It will give me 15. So I'll put my 15 here. Don't ask me where the 2 has gone, and don't ask me where the 15 has come from. I explained that 30 is divided by this 2. So I have only moved the 15. Instead of it being here, I've brought it at this point. Let's move on. So from this point now, we need to divide both sides. Don't expand this. You just give yourself a lot of work. So divide both sides by 15. You divide this side by 15. You also divide this side by 15. So when you divide both sides by 15, this and this will cancel. So you're going to remain with 10 plus t is equals to, what do we get here? Remember, this is paper 1 where you do not have a calculator. So don't force yourself to divide 15 into that. You first of all, you look at both of these numbers end with 5. So you know that 5 can go into both of them. So use 5 to simplify. 5 into 15. 5 into 15 is 3. I've written my 3 here. I hope we are together. Then I'm going to come and say 5 into 8. It's 1. Remainder 3. 5 into 32. It's 6. Remainder 2. 5 into 25. It's 5. Okay? So we go on here to say 10 plus t is equals to, then let's divide now. 3 into 165. 3 into 16, it's 5. 3 into 16, it's 5. Remainder 1. 3 into 15, it will be another 5. It will be another 5. Then at this point, we want the value of t. So this 10 must come this side. Let someone tell me the value of t. What is the value of t? What is the value of t? I'm waiting for the answer. I'm waiting for the answer. We want to clap for someone here. What is the value of t there? What is the value of t? Hello, what is the value of t? The value of t, Bralia, yes, 45, 45, 40. Oh, very good. Okay. Thank you, you people. So t is equals to 55 minus, minus 10. So t is equals to 45. So this question carried D 3 marks just to get this 45. 3 marks. So I'm clapping for everyone that is giving me the answer. Wow. That's very good. Harrison. Okay. So this is what we needed to do here to find the value of t. Okay. So let's go on to the next one. Let us go on now to the next one. Find the average speed for the whole journey. The average speed for the whole journey. The average speed for the whole journey. Speed is equals to what? I have started. Speed is equals to? Speed is equals to? What is the formula for average speed? Hello, come on. Speed is equals to? I'm waiting for somebody. Distance over time. Very good. Cole, this is good. I need another one. Distance over time. Distance over time. Okay. So speed is equals to distance over time. Distance over time. So don't waste time. The distance here is already given. The time is what we found. 45. Are we together? Again, at this point, I told you, don't force yourself to push this 45 into there. Try, simplify it, use 5. 5 here, it's 9. 5 here, I think we got what? 165. Okay, 165. Maybe we can go on again and use 3. Can 3 go into 9? It will be 3. 3 into 16. 3 into 16 is what? 5. Then 3 into, there will be 1. Again, another 5. Okay? So at this point now, we have to divide. You people, now divide. Give me the answer. Don't get the decimal point. Just write it as a mixed number. Remember, this is paper 1. You do not have a calculator with you. So if you have a calculator next to you where you're seated, please, we bind the calculator. It should not work. Just give me the answer without the calculator. Leave it as a mixed number. As a mixed number, where you write the whole number. Where you write the whole number. Oh, you're quiet. 3 into 5. Very good. Very good. Chilumba Malama. Very good, sir, madam. You know this name. It's difficult to tell whether I'm talking to a lady or a man. All I can say is thank you. So, when you divide, you are going to get 18. The remainder is going to be 1 over. What are we dealing with? Average speed. What are the units for speed now? What units are we going to put here? What units are we going to put here? Average speed. Average speed, what units are we going to put? We know the answer is 18, 1 over 3. We have been given by Chirumba, if I'm not mistaken. Now, what units are we going to put here? Are we going to put kilometers? Are we going to put hours? Are we going to put nautical miles? What are we going to put? You people, tell me the answer. Hello. Speed is just the same as velocity. I have got 20 people with me here. Can someone tell me the units? Can someone tell me the units? Okay, Beatrice has given us something. I'm waiting for another person. What are the units? Mamba. Mamba has given us something. I'm waiting for another person. Again, Chirumba has given us. There's no harm. We can have the fourth answer. Okay, Patricia. All right. So here we're going to have meters per second. Okay? Meters per second. Isabel, that's very good. Okay, what Mary and Mwamba gave us, those are units for acceleration, where you say m. This is used on acceleration. Okay? So, this is one of the questions that I wanted us to do. But really speaking, I had prepared 2 of them. There were 2 of these questions. There's this one that I've given you. And then the other one, I don't know where it is, but I had prepared 2 questions on. So I don't know. I can work under your instructions whether we should end here or I must find the other question on the travel graph so that we also do it. Especially if it's clear. You can, I prepared 2 questions. Okay. I wanted them to, they are both on travel graphs, so we can see what we can do. Okay. Is there another question? This one. And there. Find the other one. Okay, I find the other one. Huh? Okay, let me find the other one so that we do it also. Let me find the other one so that we do it also. So when I'm looking for the, when I'm still looking for the other question, let me give you something so that you can solve. Right? I don't want to keep you idle. Factorize. Factorize. You're expecting these questions. Factorize. Completely. Everyone must factorize. Factorize completely. I want to look for the question. So when I'm looking for the question, I don't want you to be idle. Find the answer here. Find the answer. Factorize the question. Factorize that one. Factorize that one. Factorize that one. Factorize that question. Here. Factorize the question. Find the other question. Yes, I'm looking for the other question, please. Just a minute. I'm looking for the other question. I'm busy looking for the other question. Okay. That is what I'm doing. For now, I want you to find this one. Factorize. For now, I want us to factorize that question. Okay. I'll be asking for the answers very soon. I shall be asking for the answers very, very soon from all of us. From all of us, I shall be asking for the answer very, very soon. Okay. Where's the other question? So I'll be asking for the answer very, very soon. Wow, wow, wow. Which I forget. There were two papers that I had. No, not this one. Wow, 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 wow. People are ready for the exam, eh? That's very good. That is very, very good. People are ready for the exam. People are ready for the exam, and I'm impressed that we have such kind of answers. Okay? People are ready for the exam, and the word is evaluate. What is to evaluate? Evaluate 8 over 27. Then we have 2 over 3. Find the value of this one. I'm coming. Find the value of this one. At least we can also take advantage of this. You never know, maybe this will be your first question. Okay? So take advantage. You never know, maybe this will be your first question. Okay? Oh, that's very good. Wow. Find the other question. That's very good. Okay. So we are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. There's the other question. I've really struggled to find the other question. Okay. I must say that I've misplaced the question that I had on travel graphs. I don't know where it is, but I have identified one question that I want us to do together. So let me find let me see the answers for this one. Let me see the answers for this one. Oh, that's very good. Mary, Patricia, Chumba, Beatrice, Timothy. Oh, okay, that's very good. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's try this one. Then we go to the last question that I want us to look at. We have another question on coordinate geometry that I want us to look at. It was in 2017 GCE. Okay, Mwamba has given us the answer for this one. So I already have 4. Is it? I've missed his answer. Is it 4/5? Let me have another answer on this one. I want to have even 3 or 4 different answers. Then we look at it together. Then we'll go to something else now. The question, the coordinate geometry question that was in 20. Hello, my people, come on. I want the answer for this one. Evaluate. Are you not? Is it? Maybe it's not clear. This one, 2/3. Okay, I've seen an answer there. Okay, NS. Oh, man, that's very good. That's very good. That's very good. Oh, wow. Okay, then I can see that my people are ready for the exam. I can clearly see that my people are ready for the exam. So surely, wow. NS, Waria, and Isabel. Okay, that is very correct. So what we are supposed to do here, for the sake of those that are still behind, we need just to find the cube root of 8 and 27. Then we put the 2 here. You people are doing a good job, to be honest. So this, what is the cube root of 8? The cube root of 8 is 2. And the cube root of 27 is 3. Then we bring down the square here. When you square these, 2 times 2, it's 4. 3 times 3, it's 9. And most of you have gotten this same answer. Most of you have gotten this same answer. I must say you are very good. I want us to look at this question. This is the last question that we're going to look at. It's from coordinate geometry, GCE 2017. GCE 2017. Just give me a notification if it's clear, then we can get started. Just give me the, can someone tell me, is it clear? Is the question clear here? Not clear. Nancy. Wow, that's not good. What must I do? No, not clear. Eh. Okay. Not clear, not clear, not clear, not clear, not clear, not clear, not clear. Okay, not clear, not clear. Okay. So, let me try to put it on a plain paper, maybe to be clear. Where is the marker? It's not clear. Yeah. This is not very good. You people are doing exceptionally well. Clear, though it's upside down. It's upside down. It's not clear. Where's the marker? Get the marker. Okay, so let's see. Let me just try to put it on the plain paper. On the plain paper here. It's not clear. Okay. Apologies. I'll send a photo of this one. Then you look at it. You look at it. If it's not very clear, I'll send a photo of this. You look at it. Then we'll come and solve it tomorrow. I have to cut this lesson short because I like it when you're following. But I must say that I enjoyed leading this group. I wasn't teaching you. I only facilitated. Most of the answers came from you. I must mention that wherever you are a good team, and I wish you nothing but the best in your exams. Suffice to mention that when you go in the exam, start with questions that you know. One question has the potential to fail you the whole exam. So don't concentrate on things that you don't know. Get the morale from those questions that you can solve. Just like in life, you also don't follow people that don't want you. So what I'm saying is that I'll send a photo of this question. Then tomorrow, same time, 21:30, I'll come with another question, and I hope to do better. Now you're telling me that it's clear. Others are saying it's not very clear. So let me say I'll send you this question. You can attempt it. Then tomorrow we meet the same time. I must say that you were a very wonderful team to lead. I have enjoyed it as a facilitator. Thank you very much, Robert, Patricia, Mwamba, Beatrice, Mary, Isabel, Robert once again, Priska, Katumpa, Nancy. So, goodbye until tomorrow.